unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Writing a consent letter for a child's UK passport involves clearly stating your permission for the passport to be issued. Start the letter with your child's name, passport number if renewing, and the statement of consent. Include your relationship to the child, your contact details, and any details of the accompanying adult if relevant. It's paramount to date and sign the letter in the presence of a witness, who also needs to sign. This letter should accompany the passport application form and any other required documents. Consult the latest guidelines from the UK government or Her Majesty's Passport Office to ensure compliance with current requirements.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.